Welcome to KeyScan's How to Expand User Storage tutorial. This tutorial assumes that you have a basic understanding of the KS-NAS storage system and specifically the user storage system. For detailed information, please refer to the KS-NAS Storage Management and the User Storage Overview tutorials. The KS-NAS Server Manager lets us expand the basic user storage by adding extended user folders. In order to create an extended user folder, activate the Firefox browser on your desktop and connect to the KS-NAS Server Manager. Select from the main menu, Storage, and then Storage Management. You should get the Storage Settings page. Verify that you have available hard drives and that your virtual storage system is initialized, having at least one physical volume and one logical volume defined. Scroll all the way down to the folder tree layer and click on any of its icons. You will get the folder list page, listing all folders defined over the virtual partitions of the tray storage system. To create a new folder, click on the New button on the folder list page. You should get the folder setting page. Go to the logical volume line to select on which virtual drive and virtual partition combination you wish to set up the new extended user folder. Go to the first line, Set Folder Name, and type the name of the new folder. This field should include only alphanumeric characters without any blanks in between. While you are typing the name, the KS-NAS fills in the folder path entry, the sync folder entry, and the share Samba entry according to the KS-NAS conventions. You may change them manually if you wish. As to the folder name, we recommend using 2 to 3 letters to identify the user, which is the owner of the folder, and underline with additional 2 to 3 letters representing the category. For example, folder name dv_doc1, where dv represents the user Dave and doc1 represents documents category. To set up the extended user storage category, go to the folder category line and select the one you wish to expand with this additional storage. To expose the folder for syncing with folders on other systems, go to the Sync folder line and check the Enable box. For the complete details how to set up folder syncing, please refer to the related tutorial. To enable or disable the sharing of this folder with other systems, Microsoft Windows as well as Linux and Apple, over the local network, go to the Share Samba line and check or uncheck the Read and Write checkboxes. To set up users and groups access rights to the new folder. Below the Users Settings line, you have a list of all users defined on the server. Per each user, you can set its access permission to the folder when the user is logged on locally to the server, and when the user attempts to view the folder from another system over the LAN using Samba protocol. The same can be set per existing user groups. After the new folder has been created, you have multiple tools to view it and check its content. For example, to check if the new folder has been created, open the Storage Settings page and scroll all the way down to the folder layer and click on any of the folder's icons. You should get the Folders List page where you should see the newly created folder listed. You can click on the new folder name and get the specific folder page, where you can, for example, update the user access permissions. Another useful tool is the web browser-based File Manager. Select from the main menu Application and File Manager. You should get the login page for the File Manager. Type in your username and password to get the File Manager user homepage. Click on My Files to get a list view of your home subcategory folders. To check for the extended folder you created, for example Extended Music category folder, click on the Music subcategory to get the content of the folder. You should see 2 subfolders, MNT and Other. Under Other, you will have a subfolder for each user that has shared a music category folder with you. Under MNT, you should see all the extended folders created for the music category, including the new folder you have just created. Thank you for viewing the KS-NAS Create an Extended User Storage tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please contact our support team at support@keyscan.com.